Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Day 2 officially in Canada. We're still in Toronto, of course, and we have a few things planned today. I'm not entirely sure what those are, but right now we need to head down to breakfast, so let's do that. Right, thoughts on the breakfast?
It was okay for a free breakfast. The woman was a bit rude.
Wasn't amazing though, was it?
Oh no.
No.
I'd rather have like a Premier Inn breakfast.
Yeah, to be honest, it was kind of what you expect for a free breakfast. You know, toast, cereal, pastries, fruit, that kind of thing. But I think if we want like a cooked breakfast, we'll more than likely go to like a Denny's or something like that. But yeah, also, I mean, since we came here, I found quite strange. I don't really know what the case is with masks. I don't know if you're required to wear one. Me personally, I'd rather not wear one. Obviously, in the UK at the moment, we haven't got to wear one in most cases. But yeah, there seems to be like a bit of a split. So some people are wearing one, some people are not. So yeah, I really don't know what the case is with that. But yeah, I think, what are we doing now? We're going to that park. What's it called?
I don't know, Trillium Park?
Trillium Park, something like that. So we're going to go there, have a nice walk around, and then see where that takes us. Car's still there, hasn't been nicked. Okay, so we have arrived to Trillium Park, I believe it is. You can probably see behind me there, somewhere, yeah, there is the CN Tower. We're actually going to be going up that later, but we're going to be taking a walk around here, see if it's any good. Then we're going to go and grab some food because I'm pretty hungry, and then yeah, we're going to be going up the tower, so hopefully that'll be fun. Pretty cold, ain't it?
Yeah.
Just to prove how cold it is, the lake has frozen over. You want to go across the frozen lake? Tired?
I've been up since 5 AM.
5 AM?
Yeah. Oh, you were like...
Wouldn't catch me awake at 5 AM. So I guess it's kind of like a, I don't know, a trail or a bike path. It's a nice walk. There looks like some kind of airport over there. That only looks to be like a, I don't know, a local one. Not any huge planes over there. But what's your thoughts so far then on Trillium Park?
Not really good.
Not really good? Why not?
No, like it isn't really, is it? Just a walk.
Yeah, it's just...
I've been better places.
Yeah, it's just like
maybe it might get better.
It's just like a trail, isn't it? Just like a bike, you know, bike path.
Yeah.
Cycle path, cycle route. Do you want to go in the cave? Don't stop yawning, you, do you?
I know, I can't stop.
I have no idea what this place even is. Kind of looks abandoned though, like there's nobody else even here. Maybe this was a thing to do in the summer, and there's, I don't know, I could imagine like jet skis and, you know, things like that. But yeah, like I say, it kind of seems a bit deserted in the colder months. Whoa, that's high. Okay, so we're in the CN Tower now, and I guess we're going up to the top. Okay, so this is the view from the 114th floor. pretty high. So this is where we currently are, and this is where we're going to next. What's that, like an extra 100 meters or so? And here we are in the sky pod. I guess that's where we just was, down there. And now apparently we're 100 meters higher. It's pretty high, isn't it? Okay then, so CN Tower done. What are my thoughts on it? To be honest, I mean, we've done quite a lot of towers, tall buildings and that sort of thing, so to us it is quite, well, pretty much the same. But I would say it's definitely something that you should do if you are coming to Toronto. It is very, very high up. You do get to see a long way, and you do get a different perspective of the city itself. To be honest, I'd probably actually recommend doing it at night, but if you are doing it at night, then your photos are probably not going to be as good, because if you have flash on, then it's going to reflect off the windows. So yeah, there's that to bear in mind as well. But with that being said, obviously you can make up your own mind, but I think now it is getting on. It's like 7 p.m, so I think we're probably gonna either head back to the hotel and then go out and get some dinner, or we're just gonna go, you know, straight ahead and get some dinner now. But yeah, I guess we'll wait and find out. Okay then guys, so what's the time now, like 11 o'clock?
Half 11.
Half 11 at night, of course. And yeah, we've just went to eat, went to the Cheesecake Factory, which is probably one of our favorite American restaurants. And yeah, we had a nice meal, nice way to end the day. We're gonna head back to the hotel now, of course, and yeah, probably go straight to bed, because I'm very, very tired. I need a good sleep tonight, and yeah, probably got a very long day tomorrow. You've been up since 5.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. What have we done today? Went to that park.
Trillium Park,
Trillium
CN
Park,
Tower.
CN Tower. And then
Long walk
yeah,
back.
then we had a good walk around, didn't we? That was good to walk down. What would you call it, like downtown Toronto?
I don't know what it's
Sort of.
classed as. Just
Yeah.
basically like, would you call it the Bay? Just following the waterfront.
Yeah.
All the way down.
It was a nice walk back. There's a good couple of miles. We did a lot of steps there, haven't we? Like 20 something thousand steps, haven't we?
Yeah, I've done 23.
Yeah, so I've probably done 24 then, so yeah. But guys, yeah, we are going to wrap this one up. Hopefully you have enjoyed it anyway. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.